Hello everyone! For this final project we choose to do a video tutorial of how to prepare brownies.
To prepare the brownies, we need to boil vegetable oil, eggs, and finally the main ingredient, baking powder brownies, which is a mixture of everything a brownies carries.
It also take water, exactly 3 tablespoons of water, also half a cup of oil, and finally we will only use 2 eggs for his recipe preparation.
First, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit.
After a square mold is prepared, the bottom and sides should be greased with butter so that brownies do not stick.
Followed by that, in a bowl, put the brownie mixture and add 3 tablespoons of water, half a cup of oil and 2 eggs. It is stirred until it has a homogeneous mixture that there are no lumps or brownies can go wrong.
Once prepared, the mixture is poured and spread in the mold that was already prepared.
Next, goes into the oven and bakes for 20 and 25 minutes or until it is still slight and moist and touch the bones. Another way to know that it's ready is by inserting a toothpick in a corner and it comes out almost clean.
Finally, let it cool completely before molding and cut into 9 large squares or 12 medium or 20 rectangles mini brownies.
It is advisable to cut it with a plastic knife and slowly for better results. It's must to be strongly thinly